Hi everybody, Lynn here. We're going to do a poppy craft today. Look in your bag and you'll find a little bag like this with 4 red circles and 1 black circle. What we're going to do you know what a poppy is? A poppy is a flower. So take your red circles, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to use our glue stick. Put a little bit glue right here on all your poppies. That's going to be the middle where we stick them together. So a little bit glue right there, can you see? And on the next one, a little bit glue right there. The next one, a little bit glue right there. And number 4, are you counting your poppy leaves? A little bit glue right there. Now we're going to glue them together. 1, 2, like that. The other 2 are going to go at the top. 3, 4. See how they're all together? It makes a flower. Bump, 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 bump. And then right in the middle is where your black circle is going to go. So we need some glue on the black circle. Are you getting very good at gluing things? Here we go, right in the middle. Press it down and there's your poppy. Happy Poppy Day!